Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to drive BMW 7 Series automatic, only way. Begin by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering column for comfort and full visibility, fasten your seatbelt, and note the location of the electronic parking brake. Check driving mode and set to comfort for smooth throttle response. Make sure the key or fob is present, press the brake, and move the transmission to D when you are ready to roll. When you start moving, keep your hands relaxed on the steering wheel and scan traffic ahead for hazards or lane changes. Use light, deliberate throttle to let the transmission, choose the correct gear, and avoid abrupt inputs that unsettle the chassis. For hill starts, hold the brake, then apply moderate throttle while releasing the brake to prevent rollback. Practice smooth acceleration and braking to maintain passenger comfort and preserve the car's electronic systems. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more practical driving tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for picking up crumbs, pet hair, and fine dust after cleaning your BMW interior, and voice control makes hands-free tidy up simple. It even remembers schedules so your cabin stays pristine. Check the description for deals and more info. Now let's get back to the video. While driving, trust the car's driver aids, but stay engaged and ready to intervene instantly if conditions change. Use lane assist and adaptive cruise for long stretches, but cancel them in heavy traffic or poor weather. When merging or changing lanes, signal early and check mirrors plus blind spot warnings. For parking, use the camera and sensors at low speed and let the car guide you into tight spaces if it offers automated assist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.